All right, creators, ready, set, let's go. What's up, my creators? Listen, I've gotten some questions about what's selling on Etsy in different platforms, but I'm going to concentrate on Etsy today. And I want you to take a look at some of the shops that I have found, some of the shops that I like that are really doing well. And I want you to know there's no reason that you cannot do the same thing. So I'm on Etsy.com. And if you take a look here, the name of this shop is called The Pink Pot by MJ, and her name is Melissa J, hence the MJ. I love that. And if you take a scroll down, well, first of all, let's look at the top. She has made 868 sales. But the thing about this is that she just started. If you take a look all the way on the bottom, she's getting great reviews. And she just started in 2023. So it could have been the end of 2023. Who knows? But she's made almost 1,000 sales in a year. So that's really good, right? It's better than nothing. It's better than what a lot of us are doing, which is nothing. When you think about it, Etsy is still one of the cheapest places that you can start your business on, right? I think they charge now there's like a $15 fee when you first open your shop. I don't know why they do that now. They had never charged, but they do now. But still $15, really. If you had a brick and mortar store selling these gorgeous sweatshirts, you'd be paying a lot of money per month, right? So these are very easy and simple to make, but they're gorgeous, right? Very simple, nothing really intricate about the design. And she is doing very, very well. Let's take a look at another one. This is called Pretty Tees US, and she has sold over 50,000 items or sales. She's made over 50,000 sales, almost 51,000 sales. And remember, a sale does not mean one item. A sale could be three or four items at one time. So let's scroll down here. Look at these. These are so very simple. She uses more text in her design. So Christmas is coming up, so she has jumped on the Christmas bandwagon. You can easily get these designs. I will be selling designs. So you just worry about creating the t-shirts and you can get your designs for cheap on my store. My designs are anywhere from 40 cents to $2 right now. So don't worry about the design. I got the designs covered for you. You just want to start concentrating on getting your store, right? So she's doing very well. And let's see if it lists how long she has been on the platform. Scroll down here. Doesn't show how long she's been on the platform, but if we click on the reviews, if we go all the way to the end, and sometimes that's hard to do because if they've been on here quite a while, they have quite a few reviews. So you don't know how long she's been on the platform. But let's see. Does it tell how many reviews? No, it doesn't tell how many reviews. Oh, she's got an average item review of 5 stars. She's got 8,000 of those reviews. So you can imagine she's been on here for quite some time. But the point is, she's on here and she's kicking butt. All right, here's another one. This couple, looks like a couple here, they have sold they've made 4,542 sales. And let's scroll down. I like these. Most of theirs are text based and extremely simple. Very, very simple designs. They don't even show, in most cases, they just show the design. So if you click on it, it does show the t shirt, which is nice. Really like this, and it shows the different colors that it is in. So let's go back to the page. Let's scroll down. Let's see if we can tell how long they've been on here. 2013. Okay, so they're growing slowly, but they're growing. So they've been on like 11 years. So that's what, a little under 450 sales a year. So that is not bad at all, right? So they're still making money. They are still on here and they're doing it. But you got to remember sometimes if you don't advertise, if you don't push your stuff out on social media platforms like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, people don't see you. How do you think people will know that you're there? They won't. You have to push it out. You either have to pay somebody or you have to push it out yourself. And I have videos on that. I have shown you how to do this. So it's up to you now, creators. You got to do this. Got to do this. There's no reason for you not to. All right, let's check out another one. This one is called Custom T-shirt. So I'm guessing by the name that she creates custom designs, and you can do that as well. She has over 300,000 sales, 321,505 sales. So if you scroll down, I like how she has it, her menu over here. She's got them divided up into subjects, right? So this is her custom t-shirt collection. So let's click on that. Let me open up one of them. What does she tell us? Okay, so what's custom about it? I'm not sure what is custom about it. Let's look in the description. Um, how to order your custom design shirt. Okay, so there's really nothing on here that's actually custom or customized to you. You just choose your t-shirt color, choose your size. Oh, you can choose your design and text color. Okay, that's what it is. Hmm, where is that at? I only see shirt color. Not sure how you would actually do that. Oh, it says here, tell us what you want in the message box that's hidden in the review page during checkout. Okay, so it is custom. So she is providing a customized service. But the fact that she has made 321,000 sales, wow, that's a lot of sales, a lot of sales. But she started, remember, guys, when you start, how many sales do you have? Zero. So it's really all a matter of you and how much you are willing to invest your time. It's not a lot of money because this is print on demand. So you're not investing anything in the actual production of the shirt. You don't have to store it. You don't have to ship it out yourself. You don't have to do any of that. All of that is included in the print on demand service like Printful and Printify. Printify. All right, let's go to another one. This one is called Shirtsley Apparel. That's cute. So I guess they only sell shirts. They have made 96,975 sales. So if we scroll down and look, let's see what she's selling. She's got all kind of stuff. She's got Black history. She's got t-shirts, coping skills. This is great. Now I'm looking at her prices and I'm wondering if she prints them herself, but because of the number of sales that she has, it almost seems impossible unless she has her own team. But nevertheless, you can do the same thing. The idea for us is print on demand. So this is easy to do, guys. Print on demand is so much easier than printing the item yourself. It's just wonderful. So this is the time. If you all are not doing print on demand, you are really, really losing out. So she's got a lot of different items on here. And here, look at this. God is good. This is a very, very simple design. You could easily make this in Canva. But if you don't have time, I understand. If you want to concentrate on your store, do that. Purchase your designs, purchase them inexpensively, and create your designs. Just start creating. The cheapest thing that you can do is to purchase the designs, right? That's really all you have to worry about. And the $15 fee on Etsy, of course, they charge 20 cents per listing. And then every time you sell an item, they charge you 20 cents as well. So there's a certain percentage. So I'll leave the link in the description about Etsy's um, prices and all of their fees, so you can check that out. But it is still one of the cheapest ways that you could ever get started on your print on demand shop. And remember, you don't just have to sell t-shirts, but the reason that I'm saying t-shirts and sweatshirts, sweatshirts now because it's wintertime, but think of this, people in California don't have to wear sweatshirts. People in Las Vegas and Arizona, they don't have to wear sweatshirts. They wear t-shirts all the time. So Hawaii, Mexico, places like that, they wear t-shirts all the time. So that's why the t-shirt game is the thing to do, because everybody wears t-shirts, men, women, boys, girls, everybody. I don't care what your gender is, what your nationality is. You tell me somebody that does not wear a t-shirt, right? You can't really think of any group of people unless they're maybe Amish or something. Possibly they wear a specific type of clothing, but who knows what they wear when they're in their homes, right? The point is, everybody wears t shirts. So, this is one of the best things that you could sell in your shop. So, please consider a an apparel shop on Etsy, right? I'll guide you, I'll help you, but you've got to do some work. So I'm going to put in the description some links about Etsy and how to get started, where to get started on Etsy itself. And you check those out, follow along with those, and start your shop, guys. It is never too late. So let's do this, okay? You can do this. And remember, guys, the more we create, the less we hate. I will see you in the next video.